Hi, my name is James Erickson. Today I'm going to show you how to estimate corn yield. Now normally you'll be doing this weeks before harvest, but harvest is almost done, but you can still do it. And for most of you that don't know what we mean when we say yield, yield is how many bushels we can get per acre. And if you were to fill this basket with corn, that'd be about 1 bushel, and an acre is about the size of a football field. So we're trying to figure out how many bushels of corn we can get per 1 acre. Now when we do this, we want to measure out about 1/1000th of an acre, which if you use 30-inch rows, that'd be 17 feet 5 inches, or if you use 22-inch rows, that'd be 14 feet 6 inches. So now we're going to get our tape measure and measure out. If we have 30-inch rows, we're going to measure out 17 feet 5 inches. And then what you're going to do is you're going to count the ears in that distance. So each ear that's on here you're going to count. And every 5th ear is the one that you want to grab, and that's what we're going to do our calculations with. So if we start here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take this ear. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and we'll count this one as 23. So we have to remember the number 23, and these ears here we're going to use as part of our calculation. Now that we have our ears, we can start making our calculations. So in order to do that, we have to take the number of ears, which we counted 23 over there, times the number of rows on the ear and the number of kernels per row on that ear. So to do that, you got to count the number of rows on here, and there should be an even amount of rows, because when the cells multiply and divide, they always divide by 2. So you should get an even number. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16 rows on that ear. And then we want to count the number of kernels that are in that row. So we'll just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and count that one as 33. So then what we'll do is we'll count the same number of rows and kernels on all the rest of the ears that we pick, and we'll take the average of them. So to find the average of them, all we do is add up the numbers here and divide by 4, because that's how many we have. We do that for the number of rows and the number of kernels, and we got 16 and 33.75. So now your next step is to multiply the number of ears, which is 23, times the average number of rows, which is 16, to take that times number of kernels per row, which is 33.75, and we got 12,420. And then that 80, that resembles the average kernel size. If your kernels were really small, you'd use the number 70. If your kernels are really big, you use the number 90. But ours are pretty average, so we divide it by 80, and we got 155.25 bushels to acre. That's pretty close to what we're getting right now, so that was a pretty accurate example there. So next time you want to find your corn yield average, you know exactly what to do.